few months ago, I tried to make a learning app for my sister, which is basically was learning alphabets, numbers, etc. But it didn't work. The structure, visual, everything was fine, but I think the basically the main engine was broken. That's why it didn't work. And for I guess for 2 months, I couldn't do anything about it. So as usual, I was using Duolingo for learning Japanese normally. Every After using it for 2 months religiously, then I realized there is some core features that makes learning easier. Or I got to know how the learning engine works. So I thought, hey, what if I put this learning engine into the app and see how it works out. But there's another thing that I don't know how to code. So the coding part will be handled by Claude, and I will show you guys if I could did it or not. I didn't know how to do it. Claude gave me all the code, but I I didn't know how to put it. I just put everything manually, which took me a long time. But I still had to face some issues. Even though the Claude gave me all the code, my terminal was somehow broken. I couldn't fix it. It was a devastating 2 days for me, and the terminal was broken. That's why I couldn't type anything. It took me almost 2 days to fix the terminal, and the terminal was finally fixed. But there was another problem that my PC, I guess, couldn't handle the load, and it took a long time to upload into that. But finally, after 2 days, it worked. I got the app in my phone, and I was genuinely really happy about it. It's a very exciting moment for me now too, because genuinely I have been trying to think about it like for 2 months, like why isn't the app working, why isn't it like the way I thought it would be. But after 2 months and after 2 days of this struggle, I finally got it. I finally got the app. Although I got the app, but it isn't what I wanted. I had something different in my mind, but the version 1 doesn't look like it, and it needs some updates obviously. I and let's see what happens in version 2.